Hello everybody, how is everyone? Hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I cook my ramen goreng. To cook the ramen goreng, we need 3 cakes of instant ramen, 6 cloves of garlic, 120-gram tofu cutlet, 2 to 3 scallion, 6 shiitake mushrooms, 2 cups of choy sum, and 1 cup of bean sprouts. We need to cook the ramen noodles according to the instructions on the packet. To make the sauce mix, we need 2 tablespoons Kecap Manis. I posted another video on how to cook the Kecap Manis. We also need 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vegetarian oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1 to 2 teaspoons sesame oil. Then we whisk the sauce mix well. Cook, we need to heat the oil over medium high. We add the garlic. Fry the garlic till fragrant. This takes about 30 seconds. We add the sliced mushrooms and fry the mushrooms for 1 minute. We then add the tofu cutlet, fry for another minute. We add the choy sum. We add the stem first, and then the leaves, and then we do a quick toss. Then we add the blanched bean sprouts. We toss fry for 1 minute till the choy sum is slightly wilted. We then add the ramen noodles. We add the scallion. We do a quick toss. Then we add the sauce mix. We toss fry for 1 minute. We add 1 or more teaspoon chili paste or sriracha. And then we toss fry for 1 to 2 minutes till the sauce is reduced and the noodles caramelized. When it's done, we split the ramen evenly over 3 or 4 plates. We top the ramen with tofu crumbles and or fried shallot. We serve it hot with a lime wedge and sambar on the side. All the ingredients are listed in the description below, and thank you so much for watching.